Good morning, dear students. Myself, Mrs. Bhamre ma'am from SC Mission Junior College, Nandurbar. Students, in our last video, we have started the line-to-line explanation of the lesson 1.3, lesson number 1.3, that is the cope and the anthem. And we have finished the first 8 paragraphs of this lesson. In those paragraphs, we have learned, in our last video, we have learned about the different 2 attempts of Soapy. It will be better to say the futile attempts of Soapy, where he tried to arrest himself by the policeman. And which were those futile attempts? First one was where he tried to enter in a luxurious cafe, but that attempt was also unsuccessful. He couldn't enter in that luxurious cafe, of course, as the main waiter saw him and he conveyed the message of going back with his action. है ना? परत जाण्याचा संदेश तो फक्त त्याच्या ॲक्शन मधून देतो. ते आपण बघितलं की तो हेड वेटर जो आहे तिथला तो त्याला एंटर करताना बघतो आणि फक्त मारण्याची ॲक्शन करून हाताने इशारा करून लगेच तो रिटर्न जातो. इन सेकंड अटेम्प्ट, व्हॉट वॉज द सेकंड अटेम्प्ट वेअर ही broke the plate glass window of the shop with a stone. There also, the policeman did not suspect him as the criminal. So, his second attempt was also futile. So, he was unsuccessful for 2 times. And then he became nervous. So, what did he do? We will learn in this video. So, students, open your textbook, open the page number 29, and let's come to the 9th paragraph, means on page number 29, 4th last paragraph is there. I am going to read the paragraph, just listen it carefully. On the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretensions. See, here meanings are given in blue colored. On opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretensions. See, no great pretension means what? The restaurant which was not so luxurious, or it will be better to say that the restaurant for ordinary people, where ordinary people can fill up their stomach. It catered a large appetites and modest purses. See, what is the meaning of this line? It is the restaurant that prepares food for ordinary workers who had large appetites but little money in their purses, in their pockets. And see, so its crockery and atmosphere were thick. Means what? Its crockery and atmosphere. Crockery means what here? The plates, bowls, in which waiters serve food for us. That was thick. Means number of crockeries were there, number of plates were there, as the atmosphere were thick, means so many people used to visit that restaurant to fill their stomach with little money. Its soup and napery thin. Very beautiful explanation of that restaurant has been given here. Its soup and napery thin. See, means the food was ordinary one. And napery thin. Napery means what here? Table cloth, table linen. है ना? Into this place, Soapy betook himself without challenge. And what happened? Into this place, Soapy betook himself. Betook means what? Took himself or went in without challenge. Of course, it was challenge for him in his first attempt to enter in that luxurious cafe, because it was standard one, it was for the first class people. But to enter in this simple restaurant was not challenge for Soapy. So he betook himself without any challenge. Of course, because that hotel was for ordinary people only. And at a table he sat and consumed beefsteaks, flapjacks, donuts and pie. See, at a table he sat and consumed. So, the food which he ordered was beefsteak. Beefsteak means what? Beef means what? Beef, we can say, it's a flesh with well-developed muscles. And beefsteak means what? A thick slice of lean beef. That is beefsteak. Flapjack means what? That is baked oat bar. ओट्स तुम्हाला माहिती आहेत की बारीक तिळीसारखं जे असतं ज्याला आपण जवस म्हणतो है ना, त्यापासून बनवलेल्या डोनट्स अँड पाय. डोनट्स ऑफकोर्स ऑल ऑफ यू नो डोनट्स. आपल्याकडे असे लांब जे डोनट्स असतात ते मिळतात. बट इन न्यूयॉर्क यू विल फाइंड द राउंड शेप डोनट्स. अँड पाय मीन्स वॉट? इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ फिश. एक माशाचा तो प्रकार आहे. So, such type of food he ordered, and then he told the waiter the fact that the minutest coin and himself were total strangers. Means what here? He told the waiter that he did not have any money. And see what he added. Now get busy and call a cop, said Soapy, and don't keep a gentleman waiting. So he told the waiter that go, hurry up. Get busy means what here? Hurry up and call a cop. तू काय कर जा आणि पोलिसाला बोलो. See, here also that was the third attempt of Soapy to get arrested himself by the policeman. And don't keep the gentleman waiting. I don't want to wait anymore. So go, call the cop. And see what happened. The waiter said, no cop for you. तुझ्यासाठी कुठलाही पोलिसमॅनची गरज नाहीये. The waiter said with a voice like butter cakes and an eye like the cherry in the Manhattan cocktail. See, hey con. Here, voice like butter cakes means smooth voice, and an eye like cherry means what? Stony eye, we can say stony eye. And in Manhattan cocktail, hey con. Then he called another waiter named Con. See here in the Manhattan cocktail. इथे Manhattan cocktail means what? See, cocktail means cocktailचा meaning काय होतो? जे वेगवेगळ्या विस्कीज असतात त्या एकत्र करून बनवलेलं हे पेय असतं आणि त्याच्यावरती अशी चेरी ठेवलेली असते. दॅट इज कॉल्ड कॉकटेल. अँड ही कॉल्ड अनदर वेटर कॉर्न नेम्ड कॉर्न. अँड व्हॉट हॅपन? सी, नीटली अपॉन हिज लेफ्ट इयर ऑन द callous pavement, two waiters pitched Soapy. What happened? Neatly upon his left ear on the callous pavement. Callous means what? Very hard. The pavement was very hard, and on that pavement two waiters pitched the soapy, threw the soapy. काय केलं त्या वेटर्सने? सोपीला उचललं आणि त्या पॅव्हमेंटवरती जोरात फेकून दिलं अपॉन हिज लेफ्ट इयर. ऑफकोर्स सोपी गॉट इंज्युअर्ड. ही अरोज joint by joint as. See, he arose joint by joint as a carpenter's rule opens. Means what? Instead of a carpenter's rule means foldable ruler ज्याला म्हणतो आपण. You may have seen the ruler or tape, we can say, to the tailors also. टेलर्सकडे सुद्धा तुम्ही तो टेप बघितला असेल जो फोल्ड करून ओपन होतो है ना. दॅट रुलर लाईक दॅट सोपी अरोज. तसा सोपी हळूहळू उठला. ऑफकोर्स ही गॉट इंज्युअर्ड अँड डस्टेड हिज क्लोथ्स. अँड सी, अरेस्ट सीम नाव बट अँड इल्युसिव्ह ड्रीम. सो what was his dream? To get arrested by the policeman. He wanted to arrest himself. स्वतःलाच त्याला अरेस्ट करून घ्यायचं होतं. अँड सी, पण ते ड्रीम, ते स्वप्न आता त्याला कसं वाटतंय? an elusive dream. Elusive means what? Difficult to find, difficult to catch, difficult to achieve. And see, the island seemed very far away. त्याचे आयलंड आहे खूप लांब वाटतंय because of his futile attempts. है ना. The policeman, island means what here? Prison. Okay. The policeman who stood before a drugstore 2 doors away laughed and walked down the street. See. Actually, what was the interesting thing here? The policeman saw him when those 2 waiters threw him on that pavement, on that hard pavement. But what did the policeman do? He just laughed and walked away. पण पोलिसमॅनने काय केलं? तो फक्त हसला आणि निघून गेला. And see, Soapy was seized with a sudden fear that some dreadful enchantment had rendered him immune to arrest. He thought. बघा, ॲक्च्युली सोपी वॉज व्हेरी नर्वस कारण त्याचे प्लॅन सक्सेस होत नाहीये. विथ अ सडन फिअर दॅट सम ड्रेडफुल एन्चantमेंट म्हणजे काहीतरी अशी जादू आहे की एन्चantमेंट मीन्स वॉट हिअर? मॅजिक. हॅड रेंडर्ड हिम. रेंडर्ड मीन्स वॉट? मेड हिम इम्यून टू अरेस्ट. अशी काहीतरी जादू आहे जे त्याला अरेस्ट होऊ देत नाहीये. He was in state of panic, and when he came upon another policeman lounging grandly in front of a glittering theater. And see what happened? He was panicked, nervous, and at the same time, when he came upon another policeman, when he came in front of the another policeman who was resting, who was taking rest. है ना, in front of a glittering theater. Actually, on Broadways, है ना, on that Broadway of the New York, there are so many theaters. More than 40 theaters are there, and all those theaters are very big theaters where near about 500 people can sit at a time. असे मोठे मोठे theaters तिथे आहेत, glittering theaters. And he caught at the immediate straw of disorderly conduct. So when he saw that policeman, who was taking rest, there was an idea in his mind. So what is the meaning of this line? He caught at the immediate straw of disorderly conduct. ही line खूप महत्त्वाची बघा. What is the meaning of this line? See, when he saw the policeman, त्याने जेव्हा त्या policemanला बघितलं, he thought that if he shouted and screamed and made a lot of noise, he would be arrested for behaving in a dangerous and disturbing way in a public place. He thought so. So, he planned to behave like a mad person, drunken person. है ना? And see then what happened? त्याने प्लॅन केला की आता मी असं बिहेव करतो की पब्लिक प्लेसवरती धिंगाणा घातल्यामुळे ते मला अरेस्ट करतील. And see, on the sidewalk, Soapy began to yell drunken gibberish at the top of his harsh voice. See, then what happened? On the sidewalk, Soapy began to yell like a drunken man. त्याने ओरडायला सुरुवात केली आहे, अगदी ड्रिंक घेतलेल्या माणसासारखं. Gibberish at the top of his harsh voice. He was speaking something meaningless, nonsense. है ना? Gibberish means what? Nonsense. With a harsh voice, he danced, he howled, raved, and otherwise disturbed the skies. See, what did he do? He danced, he howled. Howled means what? He made howling sound like jackass. And raved means what? He started talking incoherently as if he was mad person. जेणेकरून तो कुठला मॅड व्यक्ती आहे एखादा, है ना? इनकोहेरंट काहीतरी बोलायचं. And see, and otherwise disturb the skies. And then see, what did the policeman do? त्याने हे सगळं नाटक केलं त्या पोलिसमॅन समोर. But what did the policeman do? The policeman merely twirled his club. Twirl means what? To turn something quickly round and round. है ना? त्याच्याकडे जी क्लब होती, काठी. In our last video we have saw the meaning of club. This stick. He turned it round and round and turned his back to Soapy and remarked to a citizen. बघा. He turned his back to a Soapy and remarked to a citizen. काय म्हटलं बघा तो त्याला. Tis one of them yelled lads, celebrating the goose egg they give to the Hartford College. Noisy, but no harm. We have instructions to let them be. पहा काय म्हणतो बघा. Tis one of them yelled lads, celebrating the goose egg. Means what here? Actually, this L, Y-A-L-E-L, is the name of University in New York. है ना? And L lads means the student of that L University. And celebrating the goose eggs they give to the Hartford College. Actually, there was a football match between these two different teams. Of course, one team was of Hartford College and another team was from L lads. And see, who was the winner? L lads were the winner in that football match and they gave 0 score to the Hartford College. Noisy but no harm. आता policeman काय म्हटला? So they are celebrating their celebration and just noisy but no harm. कुठलंही harm नाही, काही नाही. And we have instructions to let them be. आम्हाला instructions आहे की let them enjoy. So what happened? The third attempt of Soapy was also futile. It's not that, but fourth attempt of the Soapy was also futile. So, friends, in this video, we have learned about another 2 futile attempts of the Soapy which he made to get arrested himself by the policeman. Remaining part of this lesson we will see in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.